Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you one of my Bel Airs. This is a 1955 Chevy Bel Air, which is a very unique, iconic and nice American car from the 1950s. This model was made by Earl. It's 1:18 scale, and it's a great car of a great time. Let's take a look. First detail I want to show is the front. This very unique grille from 1955 Bel Air. It's very well reproduced. Although it's not a grille, it's chrome plastic. It's got all trims and correct design of grille at that time. The badge here is a decal, but it's very well done. And this hood ornament that's in the shape of an airplane is also a very nice piece. Let's take a look at the engine. The V8 is very well reproduced. It's not really as detailed as a Highway 61's or even as the 1956 and 57 Chevys I'm going to show you in different videos, but it's really nice. You can see the engine compartment is pretty well done. You can see the horns, the radiator, the engine with the exhaust manifolds, the air filter, battery, all components are there. So it's a nice model. Now let's go on to the interior of the car. As we can see, it's all made of plastic. It's quite simple but pretty well reproduced. I can say it's an honest model, since it's not really aiming at being the most perfect one, but at the same time it doesn't have details that are not well reproduced. You can see that all things in this model are pretty well made. It's a nice car and a nice model, of course. Bel Air badge. The rear, which is very good looking. I like this white and red two-tone colors. So this color scheme is really fantastic. Trunk lid isn't open. Tail lights are very well done. I like the trims as well, which are very well reproduced with some chrome plastic pieces. Let's take another look at the interior. You can see the glove compartment at the center. It doesn't open just like in the Highway 61 cars, but still pretty well reproduced. Wheels and wheel covers are very nice. I like those white wall tires, as well as these fender detail which exists in a real car. Headlights and auxiliary lights are also very well done. Just looking at the bottom, the chassis is pretty good looking. It doesn't have a working suspension, but tires are good, are made of rubber and well reproduced. Drive shaft doesn't turn as you turn the rear wheels. So the steering system works as we move the steering wheel. It's a real nice model. You see the oil pan, the transmission, the engine components as a whole. Front suspension is pretty good. It is a very nice car to have in a diecast collection. Well, this is it. I'd like to thank you for all views, comments, likes, and subscriptions. Please continue to subscribe my channel, leave your comments and your likes below. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.